Give us one.
Would you like the bottom part? The bottom part.
Today's video is going to be an English vlog.
A few moments later.
Hello guys. For today's video, we will be visiting Tilden Little Farm in Berkeley, California. So here at the Little Farm, we'll see some chickens, turkey, some ducks. They have a couple pigs. There's cows, sheep, and goats. Watch this. Now we'll be checking out the cows. So what did you bring? Did you bring celery and lettuce so you could feed the animals? Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Bye.
I wonder what happened.
Haba. Bakit haba? Haba ng tanda. Bakit haba ng tanda?
Ano yung binigay mo sa cow?
Ano ba ito? Lettuce. Try the other one.
Would you like the bottom part or the bottom?
That one.
I think there's also
That's that one.
yeah.
More animals.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
He wants lettuce, huh?
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Oh, jeez. Oh. Sabi mo, don't forget to wash your hands.
No picture.
So here there's a huge picnic area where you can bring your blankets, have snacks or lunch. Farm closes at 4:30, but the park closes at 9. And you can see a bunch of turkey there. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. It's nice and authentic. You can smell the farm. You can smell the grass. A nice place where you can take your little ones to introduce them to the sights, the sounds, and the smells of a working farm. You'll probably spend around 30 to 45 minutes around the little farm. Look at the area. It's relaxing. Here at Von Allen Vlogs, family is everything. Time is love. Always remember to share some good vibes and spread love, love, love.
Thanks for watching.
See you on our next vlog.
Bye.
Nangyari?
May tissue.
Na paano ka?
Tissue. Teka. Dumudugo yata ilong ko.
English vlog ka pa kasi. Sabi ko magtagalog ka na lang eh.